Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android Pie system 9 system special for Chevy, Tahoe and GMC, Yukon 27 to 2012 years. Okay, let me introduce. It will come with special harness and a canvas box. This is special harness, this canvas box. Okay, and special harness you can check. This is a special harness. Okay. Also come with small speaker. Okay, let me introduce it. You can check there are two SD card slots. This reset hole and microphone. It's AUX port and front USB and this button. Okay, it's built-in DVD slot. You can check, you can choose time, you can choose logo. Also you can change the logo. Chevrolet and GMC by settings. Okay. You also can adjust this color. Any color you can adjust and set it. Set the red. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi and already connected Wi-Fi. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check MCU variant. CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, rack chip PX5 octa-core. Android version is Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back this back button. Okay, storage you can check 64GB. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the internet. You can open the YouTube. Let me connect small speaker. For sound. This small speaker just for test sound. Okay. You can open one of YouTube video. Sorry, not connected is real. Okay. Full screen. Okay, this is YouTube. Let me check our website belsee.com. Belsee.com. Okay, you can check this is our site. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. You can check. Okay, let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Navigation. You can search Miami. Okay, it shows Miami. You can touch control. Okay, let me show the music. This USB driver, and there are 2 USB cable on back of head unit, and this is USB port front. Then we insert the USB driver. Device mount. It will play music automatically. You also can off the beep sound. Okay, you can run in Google Navigation and music at the same time. Okay. And this is taskbar. You can clear memory. Okay. Let me introduce Bluetooth. This pin number 40. This is my phone. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. You can click search. It's searched very fast search and response. You can click. Your phone will get the command. You see this command. Please put the 40. Click OK. Okay, connected. Very fast connect response. You can make phone call. Hang up. And you can stream music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth for streaming music. Okay, let me play the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find setting, it's car setting, driver setting, turn on the watch video. You can off the beep sound. You see this, there beep sounds, you can click sound, touch sound, you can off. You see there are no beep sound. If you click turn on, it will beep sound. Okay. It's 4K, USB 3 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Okay. It's also built in the IR for remote control. This IR. Okay. There is built in the Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You also can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.